If setting up attractive wallpaper pleases you to the core, there is a decent chance that the iOS 18 Dynamic Wallpaper will win you over. What makes it stand out is the ability to change its colors automatically based on the time of the day. This neat color changing not only makes your home screen and the lock screen look adorable, but also enhances the viewing experience. Notably, there is a pretty neat way through which you will be able to change the iOS 18 Dynamic Wallpaper appearance on your iPhone. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. To get started, you have to bring up the lock screen by pressing the side button of the iPhone. After that, you have to authenticate and then long press on the screen. And when the wallpaper gallery shows up, you have to tap on the customize button. Then you have to select the lock screen option. Then tap on the dark mode icon. Now you have three options to choose from. Automatic. When you choose the automatic option, iOS will automatically switch between the dark and the light theme depending on the time of the day. Light, it lets you switch to the light theme, and dark, it allows you to switch to the dark theme. Now select the preferred theme and then hit the done option at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily customize the iOS 18 Dynamic Wallpaper appearance on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and I